Welcome, today we're going to show you how to use Xbox Cloud Gaming on Android TV. So how to actually download and install and use Xbox Cloud Gaming on Android TV. So the first thing you need to do on your Android phone, you need to download the Game Pass app. So you need to open the website, I'll see from here, Xbox Game Pass Beta for Android TV, I'll see from here, and you need to download it. So after you download the APK, I'll see from here, you need to click on download. Now you need to wait until the download finishes. So now that the app is downloaded, we'll want to grab the shortcut so you can easily access Game Pass on your Android TV television. So if you don't do this, you'll need to dive into the app settings menu anytime you want to use it. So you need to head to Mediafire, download the Game Pass shortcut, I'll see from here. After that, tap download button and click on OK. So you need to install the Game Pass shortcut, I'll see from here. So now how to link your Android TV device to your phone? You need to hold down the Google Assistant button on your remote and then say send files for TV app. And then you need to click the first result I see from here. So now you need to install the send files to TV app I see from here. After you install it, you need to install it also on your phone I see from here. So here's the app, you need to install it on your phone. And after you install it, you need to open it and send the files that you have downloaded for it. So you need to send the Xbox Game Pass app and the shortcut app. Now after the TV has received the files, you need to just install the files. So from the TV you need to open the files and you need to go to downloads and you need to install the files I'll see from here. Now you can just open it and sign in and play the Game Pass games that you want. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.